Today I'm excited to show you how to create a fun boomerang on Snapchat. This feature adds a playful twist to your snaps, making them loop back and forth for that perfect moment. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up the Snapchat app on your device. You'll land on the main camera screen, ready to capture something special. To create a boomerang, start by recording a short video. Make sure to keep it quick, ideally just a few seconds long, because that's what will give you the perfect looping effect. Once you've captured your video, it's time to transform it into a boomerang. Look for the 3 horizontal lines at the bottom of the screen. That's the icon for the infinite loop feature. Go ahead and click on it 3 times. You'll see the magic happen as your video starts to loop back and forth. After setting your video to loop, a play once option will appear. This gives you the option to preview your boomerang before saving it. Once you're happy with how it looks, click on the Save button to keep it on your device. But wait, you can also share your new boomerang with your friends directly on your story. If you want to add it to your Snapchat story, simply tap on the Send To button and select My Story. This way, all your friends can enjoy your fun creation. Don't forget to hit that like button and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.